Hello everyone. I'm outside. Oh, there's a branch in the tree over there. It's raining right now. I was outside cleaning the yard and then I came inside to start cooking and resting. I know there was supposed to be, that's what they said in the morning, we're gonna have a gusty wind and bad weather this afternoon. When I was checking my cell phone, there was nothing that I can see that it's coming. It was just like a tiny little dot of green rain. About 5 minutes ago, it wasn't windy. And now look at the swinging of the trees right now. We just got warned. We're going a tornado warning. Now you can see over there is trees. Oh my gosh, that was like lightning. I better go in. I will never see a Santa Claus out from these trees because those are tall trees. But look at the swinging. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, okay. What is that? If you can hear the rumbling. Yeah, I have a basement to run if things gets worse. Yeah, it looks a lot better. I cut all those pine trees this morning. If you can see the video, I'm going to post that those trees, I cut them. Oh, okay, what is that? Oh no, it's not what I thought it is. Because we have road constructions and they have those machineries. Oh, what's that all about? Park in the road. It's kind of scary. It's just dark. It's not normal. It was sunny and blue sky just until about 1 o'clock. And 1:30 I come in because I got tired. And now rain is good. We really needed the rain. It's so dry. Oh my god, look at that tree. That green oak tree is in front of me. It's swinging. Maybe we're gonna have a tornado. I hope Lord Jesus will keep us safe. We still get our electric on because we got food in our freezer. Oh my, okay, I'm going in. It starts to ring dark. Okay. Look at over there. You cannot, it's like raining hard. I don't like driving under heavy rain. Okay. Oh, look at that rain hole there. Okay, it's windy, but I don't feel like a tornado wind yet. I wish I could see a Santa Claus from over there because it usually comes from there, you know. Ah, look at the rain. Okay, it's falling.